Well, today we went around and took pictures or short videos of all the fruit we have growing here on the Triple T Ranch and Sawmill, and probably just keep it to farming today because running out of time. I've got a big pine log here, 23 inches. Hope to be milling that up soon. But the fruit is unbelievable when you start really looking around and seeing what you got growing, you know. Hope you enjoy the video. Got some Americana plums right here. This tree's doing real well. Lots of plums. Comes a little late. It's like in late June, and they'll start turning red. And they'll be a little bit bigger than that. This is not real big right now. The Mexican plums are starting to turn now. Each one of these is pretty good eating. About the size of a small tomato. They are everywhere. The blackberries didn't do so hot this year. We didn't get as much rain as last year. I guess that's what happened here. Time to pick some onions. Whenever they lay over like this, that's a good time to pull them. Here's a wild yucca. This one's getting ready to bloom. These grow wild in Texas. And here's one that's blooming. Beautiful. Here's a plant that I'm trying to eradicate. Everybody from East Texas knows about this. This is a bull nettle. Each one of these little needles will penetrate your skin and melt it away. This is a locust tree. Where I'm standing used to be a grove of them. When with a chainsaw and fire and everything else, we've got them down where we can mow them. But they still come back. And their claim to fame is on a mature tree, these stickers are 1.5 inches long, and they will puncture your tires. Here's two pretty good sized mulberry trees, black mulberry, and you don't want one of these around your house because the birds will eat these and leave you little purple marks everywhere. Anyway, it's full of mulberries. They're pretty good eating. We're out here fishing. Decided to take a break from the farm and the sawmill, and the camera wheels got me 3 to 2, but mine were about this big. Mine were big old fish. I could barely get them in. So we're fishing with minnows, and look at this, showing this right here. This is my grandfather's tackle box. They don't make them like this anymore. It's all metal, little plastic containers for everything. I really like it. We are having a blast, and we're not working. Here is a persimmon, wild persimmon. And right there is a baby persimmon. This one's got quite a few. Bunches of them. This is a wild mustang grape. And it's got a little bluebird nest in it right here. A couple eggs in there. And right there is some grapes. This is a muscadine. It's growing on a trellis. The grapes on this don't get ready to around October, September, October. And you can see here, they're just barely past bloom. Some of them are still blooming. Here's a domestic grape. I believe it's a Concord. And you can see there is a difference. Lots of grapes in here. Yep, I've got this little hot wire running around it, trying to keep the deer off of it. But lots of grapes. So basically I got a wire just kind of strung around. Just enough maybe to deter them, the deer. Oh, by the way, this cedar trellis, I made this, found a cedar down in the woods. I guess the timber guys knocked it over, I don't know. But anyway, it was still good. I don't know how old it is. Put it on the sawmill. It made, well, that's a little more than a 2x6 there. And I took an old cattle panel. See there at the top, there was enough of it that wasn't bent up that I was able to use it for the top of this. Anyway, you can't really see it, but it looked good when I first put it up. But all that cedar right there. And I believe these are possum grapes. And they're getting loaded. We've got possum grapes. And we've got mustang. And we've got muscadine.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm not going to hurt you. Lay down. You're okay. Come here. Come here. God, thank you for this day. I have prayed. It makes me want to cry. It's okay, baby. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to mow no more tonight. So you can find your mama. Come here. Come here. Yeah, it's okay. All right. I don't want to scare you. It's okay. It's okay. You want to go? You need to hide. It's twins again. I followed this one with my eyes. This is the second one. Thank you, God, that I didn't run them over.
There's a few. You gotta be careful not to hit them with the fork. These just, I don't know what happened to them. They just went south on us. Oh, looky here. Just like Easter egg hunts. Armadillos find out about it, they'll be in here.
Woo! Some big uns.
Yep, they look good too.
Fry them up with some onions and for breakfast. Man, got some beauties. Tell them how you planted these, how you grew them.
Well, I guess you went to the grocery store and had some potatoes. I guess it was January, February, and they started making eyes. So we just cut them, put them in the garden here.
They're one of the easiest things to grow.
Man, we're gonna have quite a few, aren't we?
I love it.
Remember, these were the ones under our little greenhouse.
Oh, that's right, that you
So
made.
they're a little bit older than the other ones that are still alive.
Yeah, we have some more over there that we're not picking yet.
Let me get over there.
Yeah, I think they'd be best for you. You got some tomatoes, more potatoes, bell pepper, jalapeno pepper.
Put sweet potatoes back right here.
They call those little tiny ones new potatoes in the grocery store. And the other ones they call red potatoes. That's all new potatoes are, just little red potatoes. That's garlic there.
I think that's it. Well, here's some morning glories. Of course, it's a little late in the day for them, so they're wilted a little bit. But wild morning glories. I love it. I found me some black cherries. See if I can turn this thing around here.